Wish I could remember every second we had. I know I tried to count them all, one by one, one by one. But you don't get them back, you don't get them back. Take every memory we've ever had. Oh, I wanna live them all, one by one, one by one. And I swear that I'm not gonna lose you now. I'll keep you in my life somehow. And even when the lights go down, down, I could never lose you now. And even though we're not so close here, maybe you could pick me up still. Cause I can't stop falling down, I can't stop falling down. And I'm not gonna lose you now. I can still remember all the lessons you gave me. I hope that I can live them all, one by one, one by one. Don't you go looking back, there's no looking back.
That's us. Yes. Waiting for my beautiful red car that got stolen. I mean, I'm also waiting for it. Please let it come in here and talk a lot. Shame. That's so cute. Oh my god.
I could never lose you now, even though we're not so close. Maybe you could
And come in.
still, cause I can't stop falling.
I don't think it's ready yet.
I can't stop falling down. Now I'm not gonna lose you.
Ek sien agtertjies.
Oh, keep you in my eyes somehow. And even when the lights go down, down, I'm not gonna lose you now. I'm not gonna lose you now.
Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to.
My mommy and daddy getting ready.
Too soon, caught between red and the green, and you. I'm stuck in the blue. You value how I'm feeling. How do you have so much time? Been searching for a reason for why you'd love a chip design. Aren't you listening to me now? Screamed all my secrets, why don't you leave them? Ooh. Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you.
What's the G?
My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to.
Okay, good job there.
All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green, and you. I'm stuck in the
Mom's helping me. My God. Thank you, Mom. Good luck, Sue.
Thank you.
To my husband.
stuck in the blue.
know I tried to count them all, one by one, one by one. But you don't get them back, you don't get them back. Take every memory we've ever had. Oh, I wanna live them all, one by one, one by one. And I swear that I'm not gonna lose you now. I'll keep you in my life somehow. And even when the lights go down, down, I could never lose you now. And even though we're not so close here, maybe you could pick me up still. 'Cause I can't stop falling down, I can't stop falling down. And I'm not gonna lose you now. I can still remember all the lessons you gave me. I hope that I can live them all, one by one, one by one. Don't you go looking back, there's no looking back. And I don't mean to-
Go buy a new car if you don't have that.
Oh, what's the irony?
Underneath
What's the irony?
In other words, don't go buy a Porsche if you can only afford the VW. Buy the VW first. Okay. So you have to make sure when you fit your finances, intimacy is very, very important. Okay. Your intimacy determines your long-term goal of how you are. You know, many times I walk down the road, you see this beautiful young couple holding hands, and they sit on a chair and they're kissing each other. And I walk up to them, I said to them, "Hello." And look at me, I said, "Remember one thing. In 30 years' time, you must still be holding your hand and kissing her." You see it? Look at me. No, and then communication. Hey, you have to talk, eh?
Yeah.
You know the whole thing about don't go with argument to bed. Stay out and fight it out. And
Sorry.
never embarrass your wife in front of someone else, even if she's wrong. You know, women can be many times wrong. You know, but you never embarrass her in front of people. Sort out at home, but not in the restaurant.
After hours as well, right? After hours.
Remember, forget the tough days sometimes, and remember the good days. You will go through tough times. Doesn't matter. But if you remember the good days, you overcome the other days. After that, how you guys a bit?
Yes, also it's quite fitting this last week.
Okay. So, therefore, before you, do you know of any reason why these two may not be lawfully married together? If you do, you should have given it to me legally in writing before today.
Put the facts.
Or forever hold your peace. Okay.
Nope.
It's a lot of keys.
She tried.
They did pay me beforehand to make sure.
Exactly. She tried to
It's
stop
not
me.
why you got your early.
She tried to stop me. She was like,
Timothy, do you solemnly declare that you know of any lawful impediment why you may not be joined together in holy matrimony to Charmain on your side, and call President to witness that you take her to be a lawful wedding wife? Do you, Charmain, solemnly declare that you know not of any lawful impediment why you may not be joined together in holy matrimony to Timothy on your side, and call all present to witness that you take him to be a lawful wedding husband?
No.
Okay. Did you bring a marriage vows? See, I always make a plan.
thank you.
Okay. Okay, this is yours to him. Okay. I promise to make coffee every morning when I get out of bed for you.
I promise that I'll ask you to make me coffee every morning. Every time I let you sleep in, I need to sleep in. Don't wake me up. I like my sleep. And I don't like coffee, so just make your own.
Okay, you don't have to repeat on. Okay. Charmain, to you. My promise to you is simple. I'll endure until the end. I'll be your one and only, your lover and your friend. I'll listen and I'll nurture and fight and I'll be true. I'll do my equal share and I will never give up on you. I'll try to do my very best to fulfill your every need. I'll walk beside you hand in hand. I'll help you to succeed. I'll be your constant equal. I'll give you the room to grow. I'll tend to you when you are sick. Build you up when you are low. I stand before these witnesses and I say unto you, no matter what hard times we face, our love will make it through. Amen.
Amen.
Okay. Awesome.
Must I copy that now?
Stop.
What he said.
Okay. If you said you were cold, I would wrap my arms around you. If you said you were thirsty, I would give you the ocean blue. I would give you anything the moon, the stars, the sun said too. This heart is my hands and hold it out to you. Okay. Right, have you got your rings?
Girls got there.
In every picture I saved up, I'm only trying to visit with you one by one, one by one. And I swear that I'm not gonna lose you now. I need you in my life somehow. And even when the lights go down, down, I could never lose you now. Even though we're not so close, yeah. Maybe you could pick me up still, 'cause I can't stop falling down. I can't stop falling down. And I'm not gonna lose you.
But what? You're not married.
No turning back.
Really good. You're joking.
Okay, this is your official message. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, keep you in my eyes somehow. And even when the lights go down, down, I'm not gonna lose you now. I'm not gonna lose you now.